Space, the final frontier. From the Apollo missions to Mars colonization, humanity has always looked toward the stars. And now, two giants, NASA and Elon Musk, are leading the charge into a bold new era of space exploration. But how did we get here? And what does the future hold for us beyond Earth? Let's dive deep into the incredible partnership and rivalry between NASA and Elon Musk's SpaceX. NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, has been at the forefront of space exploration for over 6 decades. From landing the first humans on the moon in 1969 to sending robotic explorers across the solar system, NASA has shaped our understanding of the universe. Over the years, NASA has achieved numerous milestones, including the Mercury and Gemini programs that laid the groundwork for human spaceflight, the Apollo program, which landed humans on the moon and brought them safely back to Earth, the development of the Space Shuttle, allowing reusable spacecraft for orbital missions, the construction and operation of the International Space Station, a major collaboration between multiple nations, the launch of groundbreaking telescopes like Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope, which have revolutionized our understanding of space, Mars rovers such as Curiosity and Perseverance, which continue to explore the Martian surface and search for signs of past life. But as space exploration evolved, so did the challenges. Budget constraints, aging technology, and increasing costs led NASA to seek private partnerships. And that's where Elon Musk enters the story. Enter Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur with an ambitious dream making humanity a multi-planetary species. In 2002, he founded SpaceX with a singular goal: to reduce the cost of space travel and make Mars colonization a reality. People doubted him, they laughed. But Musk and his team kept pushing boundaries. Key milestones in SpaceX's journey include 2008. Falcon 1 becomes the first privately developed liquid-fueled rocket to reach orbit. 2012 Dragon spacecraft successfully docks with the ISS, becoming the first commercial spacecraft to do so. 2015. The first successful landing of a Falcon 9 rocket booster, proving reusability is possible. 2020 Crew Dragon Demo 2 mission successfully sends NASA astronauts to the ISS, marking a new era of commercial human spaceflight. 2021. The first fully civilian mission, Inspiration 4, orbits Earth for 3 days. 2023. Starship, the most powerful rocket ever built, undergoes its first full-stack test flights. These achievements have made SpaceX a leader in commercial spaceflight. Unlike NASA, which operates as a government agency with strict oversight and long-term projects, SpaceX is a private company that moves quickly, tests frequently, and embraces failure as a learning tool. NASA saw the potential of SpaceX, and in 2014, they awarded the company a multi-billion-dollar contract to develop Crew Dragon, a spacecraft that would return human spaceflight to American soil. By 2020, the historic Demo 2 mission successfully launched NASA astronauts to the ISS, proving that private companies could handle crewed spaceflight. NASA and SpaceX are now collaborating on numerous projects. NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the moon, will use SpaceX's Starship as a lunar lander. NASA contracts SpaceX for regular cargo and crew missions to the ISS. SpaceX's Starship is also being considered for future deep space missions, but that's just the beginning. With projects like the Artemis program aiming to return humans to the moon and eventually Mars, NASA and SpaceX are working together to push the boundaries of space travel. One of the most ambitious plans in human history is colonizing Mars. Elon Musk's SpaceX is developing Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed to carry humans to Mars. But how realistic is this dream? Radiation exposure, life support systems, and planetary infrastructure still need to be solved. NASA, too, is conducting studies on Mars habitability, working on nuclear propulsion, and preparing astronauts for deep space missions. But so is human ingenuity. Some argue that NASA and SpaceX are competitors. NASA's SLS, or Space Launch System, is a direct rival to SpaceX's Starship for deep space missions. However, the truth is more complex. While competition exists, it drives innovation. NASA still leads in scientific missions, while SpaceX focuses on cost efficiency and rapid innovation. Comparing their achievements, NASA specializes in long-term scientific research and planetary exploration. SpaceX has revolutionized cost-efficient space travel with reusable rockets. NASA's international partnerships ensure global collaboration, while SpaceX's speed and risk-taking accelerate technological advancements. Together, they create a powerful synergy, one that is accelerating the future of space exploration. So, what does the future hold? With NASA's continued research and SpaceX's relentless innovation, we are closer than ever to becoming an interplanetary species. But this journey isn't just about rockets and technology, it's about humanity's collective ambition to explore the unknown. Will we see humans walking on Mars within our lifetime? Only time will tell. If you enjoyed this deep dive into NASA and SpaceX, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing space content, and share this video with fellow space enthusiasts. The future of space is unfolding before our eyes, and you don't want to miss it. Until next time, keep looking up